YouTubers, Redneck Rebel here. I see everybody on YouTube doing toolbox tours, so I figured, why the hell not? I'll do shits and giggles for one. This is my new green homak toolbox. I bought it at Napa. It's a service cart. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 drawers. The top of it is very deep. I mean, very, very deep. I'll find a tape measure here. As you see yourself, it is 7.5 inches deep, the top of it. It's very deep. Over here on the side, right there, I got my Craftsman professional screwdrivers. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, Craftsman professional. A whole set of these is $135, which I cannot put all of them right here. The rest of them are in my other box. I got some green Carlisle screwdrivers. Yeah, Carlisle, which is Napa. There's nothing wrong with Carlisle. They're real good, excellent. I've got my 3 magnets there. Two of them is OEM, and this one is a Harbor Freight special. I got a set of the Craftsman universal sockets. As you see how they're made. That's when they very first come out several years ago. I've got all kinds of sockets here. This socket rail here is, all these are Stanley. I've got complete mixture of sockets. These are Harbor Freight because the colors. There's a red one. That's my metric rail. I'm missing these 3 here and that one. I'm missing a few. I'm still working on my tool sets. This is Husky standard. It comes with its own plastic socket rail, so I just left them on there. This one here, these are, that's a no name brand there. Not sure who makes it. I've got a few SK. I've got a few Mako, Cornwall, Stanley. As you see, it says Stanley. 1/2 inch drive. I've got Napa. See, here's the Napa one. It's an old one. No, that one's Napa. Sorry. Yeah, that is a snap-on 12-point. I've got my little measuring chart. Those come in very good handy. They're very nice. I advise everyone to go to your local hardware store or Harbor Freight for one and buy one. They're just a couple dollars. I'm still working on this socket rail here. Like I said, I've got Craftsman. As you can tell, it's a Craftsman 12mm. Craftsman deep well. My 1/4 inch stuff, I'm still trying to find on my sockets. Used to, my toolbox was completely destroyed. You would not know. These, as you see right here, I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to get it up there. Oh, I'm gonna get the red one. See if you can read it. trying to read. Oh, Sensible Products is who it is made by. Honestly, my opinion, if you're a mechanic or a do-it-yourselfer, you buy grabbers for you to grab stuff with all the time, underneath vehicles, down inside the motors. These come in red and blue. They're $20 a set. May sound a little high, may sound a little cheap. This right here, this part here, is a solid aluminum body. This right here is stainless steel spring. They stay straight at all times. They don't get curved. On the tip of this one here, it's filthy because I've used it. It's solid aluminum. Which I can't show you in the video. There it goes. You can bend it and it goes right back straight. The claws there are your typical claws, but on the Sensible Products, you can go to, I think it's sensibleproducts.com is where you can buy them at too. It's got that little black button there. It comes with batteries, and as you see, I shine it right there on the ground. Or it comes with an LED built into it. That way you can see down the side of the vehicle. The blue one is the same way, except for this one. You see how it's made? The head is a little wider, and that one is made real skinny. This one has a magnet on it. See, right there. I think everybody should have a set of these. You'd be real smart to buy some. Both of them do have lights in them. I've got my Craftsman AC/DC rechargeable work light. In the first drawer here, I got a few electronics. I got the Craftsman OBD2 plus ABS reader. I got a little cheap one made by Performance Tool. 8 Craftsman AC voltage detector. All you do is stick it into a wall for 110. Zip ties, 1/4 inch drives, nut driver adapter and extension. This right here I like a lot. It's from Harbor Freight. You clamp it to the ground of an alternator and put this test lid on the hot side. It tells you if your batteries are low. Tells you how much voltage, and then it also give you a cranking amp charge. Here is my micrometer. I use it quite a bit, very often. Next drawer is my punches that I got from Craftsman. Stanley Allen wrenches. An OEM radiator hose remover right there. I think people should have those. All my little picks. I've got several different brands in there. Harbor Freight, Craftsman right there, Craftsman there, Irene nut remover tool set, twisted off bolts. I think every truck driver and mechanic should have these. You can get better brands. These are fairly good. I bought these at my local Napa. They plug into the back of a semi truck, and I'll tell you which prong is bad on the back of the truck and the pigtail itself. My test lights. My work lights here. 2 sets. I love these little things. They come in handy. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you my colored T-handles. Those are cheap, Chinese. Then my next drawer here has my pass-through sockets, my Whistler video camera, and inspection camera, my little tray with all my Allen's Torx in it, my new K-Tool International 5-ton reversible puller. Just bought that and it's $70. I've already used it. My 3/8 torque wrench, my 1/2-inch torque wrench, my Craftsman transmission extensions. They're both 14 inches. They're long, very long. My quick release. You see the little button on there? I love them. These are made by Pittsburgh. Trying to get it open here. They just your regular 1/2-inch drive torque wrench. Nothing special. My other drawer with my snap rings. Those are brand new. I just got them. They're made by K-Tool, which is also K-Tool International, same company. My cheap Chinese Pry Bars. As you see, they are not that grand. I bought them off some guy that needed help. He's asking for some money. He had tools in his truck, so I helped him out. My channel locks, my dead blow hammers, my somewhat of a wrench drawer, as you see. I keep most of my bigger wrenches in there. My pliers. These are the 8-inch Craftsman Max Access drawer. You turn that to adjust them, and man, let me tell you, if you got kids and bicycles, maybe golf carts and stuff, but mainly bicycles, these are well worth their money. As far as an everyday mechanic goes, they are no good for you. But they do have the lifetime warranty on them. Vice grips, my Nipix cable cutters, my other pair of Nipix cable cutters, my Nipix pliers, B&D wire cutters, my wire crimpers, strippers, Irene, my Mac wire strippers, Stanley, of course, as you see, some more Nipix. These are little mini channel locks made by Nipix. Nipix is German made, if anybody's wondering. My old ancient channel lock that I found in some dirt. And the bottom drawer has some spare wire in it that I just got. The Craftsman 42-piece hex key set. I think every mechanic should have these. It comes with a 6-inch extension. I lost it with an adapter. It comes with 7 external torque bits. Comes with standard Allens. It comes with metric Allens right there. It comes with 3 flathead bits, 3 Phillip extended bits, Torx, 3/8 drive, 1/4-inch drive, Allen's down to 1/4-inch drive, and it comes with its own ratchet too. That's my performance tool AC gauges. And these, what I love the most is my 480 big A's channel locks. That is BIGAZZ. That's what they're called, and they are ginormous. I've really never measured to see how big the mouth actually is on them, but they are huge, as you see. Let's see here. From inside jaw to inside jaw, closed, it's 5.5 inches. The full length, as you see, I'm trying to put it on the handle, all the way up to the head, is roughly about 22 inches. So they're not little by no means. And then I got my 15-inch, they're supposed to be 15-inch, oil filter and fuel filter pliers, made by Channel Lock. I am a big Channel Lock fan. I got my fender wheel covers right there. The Craftsman mini plier set. Here, I'll open it up and show you. These are $20 a set. They do come in handy very well and come useful. I've used them several times. They are Chinese made because it's the new Craftsman, not American. But they're well worth the money, especially if you're doing automotive work. My 4-piece gear puller set right here. Pulley puller and gear puller set by Pittsburgh. It comes with I think it's a 3-inch, 5-inch, 6-inch, and a 9-inch or 8-inch, one of the two, pulley pullers. But like some of the other guys have said, you don't have to buy just snap-on. As you see in my toolbox, you see it yourself. There's Pittsburgh, there's Stanley, and I'll even show you the names on them. You see it right there. It says Pittsburgh. This one says Stanley. Well, if I can get it off here. Those say Husky. Somewhere. They're on there somewhere. But that's Husky. Home Depot. Husky. S&K. Made in USA. Another Stanley. Craftsman. I do have snap-on. Craftsman Professional. Carlisle. Anyway, I can't remember the name. It don't matter. These, as you see, are very, very cheap. I paid $10 for a 10-piece set. Nothing special at all. That's my other toolbox. We'll go through it another day. But thanks, YouTubers. Like it. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Give me a thumbs down if you don't like it. If you don't, then piss on you is all I can say. Thanks for watching.